the bubbles, Lily. Wow, so many bubbles. I want to catch them. Jump higher, Lily. Here, try this one. Like this, Henry? Yes, blow gently. Look, a big one. Great job, Lily. It is flying away. Let's follow it. Run fast. Wait for me. Oh, it popped. That was fun. Look, a blue butterfly. It's so pretty. Can we follow it? Hold on, Lily. Remember Mom's rule. Stay where Mom can see us. Where is our bench? Over there, Henry. Mom is waving. She sees us. Let's walk together, hand in hand. We are back, Mom. We stayed safe. You two are so smart. We remembered your rule. I have a special treat. Yay, a treat. One for Henry, one for Lily. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. It looks yummy. You are welcome, my dear. Mmm, so delicious. Crunchy and sweet. Playing with Mom is the best. Yes, safe and happy. I love our park day. I love our family. Time to go home, kids. Let's clean up together. I put the cookies back. Good job, Lily. Hold my hand, Lily. Yes, safety first. What a beautiful day. The best day ever. I will always listen to Mom.
I am so proud of you, sweetheart. Now, let's go home for dinner.
Yay, dinner time. We are a happy family, always safe together.
Come on, kids. The cupcakes are so sweet. And the kittens love people.
Wait, what is the family secret code?
Secret code? I don't know any code. The cupcakes are for fun, not a game.
No cupcakes, please. Thank you.
We don't want them.
Look at the bubbles, Lily. Wow, so many bubbles. Mom, we are over here. Come quickly, Mom. Look, he is going away.
Yes, we stay safe.
Henry, Lily, are you okay?
Mommy, we are safe. You did the right thing.
We remembered the secret code. Never trust strangers without the code.
Never, ever. Let's clean up together, Mom.
Great job, my little heroes.
Family. I love you all so much.
Code? The special code? I don't know any code.
No cupcakes, please. Thank you.
We do not want them.
Now, we go back. Run to Mom. Mom, we need help. Mommy! Mommy!
Oh, are you okay? My brave kids!
We are safe, Mommy.
Remember, the secret family code is powerful.
Never, ever go with strangers. I love our park day. And the family code is the best.
Can you help me find my key? It is right over here.
What is the secret code?
Tell us the code.
A code? I forgot it. Just come help me.
No code, no help. Step back. Mommy, come here.
I am here. Stand behind me.
We are safe now, Lily.
You are so smart and brave.
We used our secret code. Safety rules keep us happy.
Always, my dear children. You both did a great job today. I am so proud. Let's learn the hand rule. 5 fingers, 5 safe points. Thumb is for family.
My thumb is family.
Pointer is for friends.
My pointer is friends.
Ring finger is for
Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad love me. Pinky is for
you.
My pinky is me. Hand rule. Family, friends, Mom, Dad, me.
Time to pack up, my helpers.
I can fold the blanket. My backpack is ready. Everything is packed. Hold my hand when we walk.
Always stay close to Mom.
Look, our sweet home.
Welcome back, safe and sound.
Warm water for my brave kids. Home is the safest place.
Ask secret code.
Step back. Shout loud. Tell Mommy.
You are always safe.
Stay smart. Stay safe. Goodbye.
Hot soup for my smart kids.
Thank you, Mom. It smells so good. Our secret code saved us today. Because we listened to Mom.
You are my brave little angels. Always protect each other. Good night, my smart heroes.
Good night, Mom. We love you.
Stay safe, stay happy. Good night, everyone.
Look at my new orange scooter. It is super fast.
Wait, Henry, where is your helmet?
No time. I want to go fast.
Whee! This is so fast. Henry, slow down. The hill is steep.
Oh, it is too fast now. Look, a sharp corner ahead. How do I stop? Help! Whoa, turning right now. Oh no, a cart in the way. Whew, that was so close. Henry, are you okay? I am okay, Leo. Always protect your head. You need a helmet, Henry. You are right. I need my helmet. Let us get it now. Safety first. Safety first.
Great job, Henry.
Here is your helmet, Henry. Wow, it matches my scooter. Put it on flat and straight. Like this, Leo. Fasten the buckle. Listen for the click. Click, it is locked. 2 fingers under the strap. 2 fingers. Perfect fit. Shake left, shake right. It stays.
Good job. It is secure.
Knee pads and elbow pads, too. Now I am a safe rider. I am ready to ride. Next, check your brakes. Safety first, always. Brakes help you stop safely. Show me how to check them.
Squeeze the brake lever. Squeeze tight. It grips.
Push down with your back foot. Press the back brake.
1 push, 2 pushes. Stop. It works. Brakes pass the test.
Great job checking your brakes.
Helmet on, brakes checked.
Now, let us learn corners. Look left and right.
First step, stop before the corner.
I stop my scooter here.
Second step, look to the left.
Looking left. No cars coming.
Third step, look to the right.
Looking right. Clear and safe. Look left once more.
Check left again. All clear.
Stop. Look left. Look right.
Slowly and carefully. Across the corner.
I did it! Safe corner turning. You are a smart rider. 100% safe. Let us ride together, Leo.
Stay on the right side.
Keep a safe distance. I see. Not too close. Look at the sign. Slow down.
Slow down. I press the brake.
Riding safe is so much fun.
Look at my safe robot spin.
You are hilarious, Sparky. Time for a short break. Great riding today, Henry.
I can ride safely everywhere.
Safety Master unlocked.
Proud of you, Henry.
Here is the narrow alley again.
Remember your safety rules, Henry. Step 1, stop before the turn. Perfect stop, Henry.
Step 2, look left. Look right. No vehicles. Going slow and steady. Easy turn. I made it! That was so easy! Because you used your safety rules. Thank you, Leo and Sparky. Always happy to help. You are the best safe rider.
Let us keep riding safely.
Safety first everywhere.
Together as a team. Look ahead. Something is moving.
A puppy crossing. Slow down. I see it. Gently braking.
Smooth stop. Stay safe, little puppy. Great reaction, Henry. Very safe. I checked my brakes earlier.
Star badge unlocked. Safe rider. Yay! My gold star badge.
Bye-bye, little friend.
Stay safe.
Now, let us ride home. Home route locked. Lead the way, Safe Rider.
2 narrow turns ahead, Henry. I am ready. Watch me. First turn. Stop and check. Spot on, Henry. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Smoothly around turn 1.
And now, turn 2. Slow and steady.
Perfect execution, Henry. Official title unlocked. Corner Master. I am the Corner Master.
Woohoo! Home gate in sight.
Safe arrival guaranteed.
What a great ride. Welcome to our Safe Rider Parade.
I am the parade leader.
Playing safety celebration music. Listen to the happy music. Marching forward, safe and happy.
Hand signal. Turning left.
Great signal, Henry. Helmets on every time. Helmets protect us.
Parade complete with 100% safety.
Woo, best parade ever.
Let us review our safety rules. Are you ready to practice? Safety quiz time. Rule number 1, always wear your helmet. Protect your head. Rule number 2, check your brakes. Make sure you can stop. Rule number 3, stop, look left, look right. Check corners every time. Being safe makes every adventure fun.
And keeps us happy. Ride smart, stay safe. See you next time. Goodbye, friends.
Oh, my battery is low. I'll plug it in right here. Woof. Whoa, Barnaby? Woof. Woof. Oh, never touch sockets with wet hands. Dry your hands first. Now it is safe. Woof.
Hi, Lily. Time for coffee and study.
Good morning, Henry.
One more plug for the kettle.
Stop, Henry. That is an overload. Too many plugs in one socket is dangerous.
Oh, I see. Overload. I will unplug the extra cord.
Great job. Unplug when not in use. Safety first at home.
Let's make the room smell nice with a candle. I will light it with this lighter. I need a glass of water from the kitchen.
Oh no, never leave fire unattended. Whew. Put out the flame and put the lighter away.
Sorry, Lily. Matches and lighters are not toys.
Always keep fire safe.
Look, a tiny drift of smoke is rising from the kitchen.
Smoke is made of tiny floating particles.
What is Barnaby looking at?
Look,
Look! Up there!
look! I see smoke near the ceiling.
The smoke touches the smoke detector.
What is that loud noise?
Stay calm. That is the smoke alarm.
Barnaby knows what to do. Should I grab my laptop?
No, leave your things. Safety first. When the alarm beeps, get ready to go.
I am ready, Lily.
Follow me. Let's protect ourselves. First, let me grab 2 clean towels.
Good idea, Lily.
Make the towel wet with water. Here is a wet towel for you, Henry.
Thank you, Lily.
Cover your nose and mouth with the towel.
Like this. Now I can breathe better.
And one for Barnaby, too. Wet towel ready. Now we are safe to move.
Ready, Lily.
Smoke goes up, clean air stays low.
So we must get down.
Drop down low to your knees. Crawl low on hands and knees.
Crawl low and go.
Keep moving to the exit. We are doing great. Stay low.
Almost at the door. Here is the exit door.
Wait, Henry. Don't open it yet. Check the door with the back of your hand. Touch gently. Feel the temperature.
The door is cool. It is safe.
Great. We can open it.
Open the door slowly and carefully.
Out to the fresh air. Let's go.
Yes, out to safety.
We are outside. Fresh air.
Ah, I can breathe so well now. Should I check inside?
No, never go back inside. Let's go to our meeting point.
The big oak tree.
This is a safe meeting point. Now, we call for emergency help.
Yes, call the firefighters.
Meet at a safe spot and stay outside. Dialing 114 for emergency.
Fire department, what is your emergency?
Hello? There is smoke in our house. What is your address, please? Our address is 10 Green Street.
Is everyone safe outside?
Yes, everyone is safe outside.
Help is on the way. Stay outside.
Thank you so much.
Listen, the firefighters are coming. Woof.
In an emergency, call 1214 for help. Rule 1. Dry your hands before touching sockets.
Rule 2. Matches and lighters are not toys. Rule 3. Drop down, crawl low, and stay outside.
Woof! Stay safe and practice your English every day.
You can do it. Goodbye! See you next time!